My name is Doug Wilson. I'm the assembly supervisor here at GK. Job entitled incorporates a lot of different things, from coordinating with the engineers, management, to purchasing, and keeping all the product in front of my guys so that we can build the products that we build here at GK. The communication part, dealing with that many different departments at once to, like say, bring everything together to make the product we build. Interesting tasks would have been the automated harvesters we built this past season. It was fully automated robotic harvester that was from field to store. The robotics part of it was really challenging for us. We had to really broaden what we normally do here on the floor. It's not what we're used to in terms of hydraulics and electronics. Adding that robotics was a whole nother challenge. My career path, I started actually in the paint department as a prep. They had an opening in assembly, and that was an avenue that I looked like would be very fun to do. And so I moved over to assembly, quickly moved up to assembly lead, line lead, and then due to changes in our structure, I ended up becoming an assembly supervisor. Well, like I say, going from a prep, where it was just focus on, what you're doing in the task by yourself, to now being responsible for all the guys here on the assembly floor and coordinating with everybody. It's changed considerably. It's busy and makes the day go by really quick.